Hey, so this is the app that we're going to use. It's called Myfitnesspal. Uh, this is basically the hub where we be. This is basically the hub where we'll be downloading, tracking, and making sure that all the information is actually plugged right into it. First thing I'm gonna have you do is actually go in, add your weight, and it's gonna auto calculate and pop up the amount of calories that we can use for whatever section that we're in. If you're cutting with me or if you'll be bulking with me, all that we'll discuss obviously if you're viewing this video and you're on a different plan, we obviously tweak the plan to fit your needs. This includes recipes. Most of the recipes are actually online, and simply a click of the button will actually add it right to your diary, and then you just have to go to the store and pick. And yeah, that would be that. So click on the diary. Just want to show you right quick. So if you're seeing this video, you're not really confused about what's going on. So in this case, I have spiced chicken. It has all the ingredients included. If you click on it, if you go to my items in the Myfitnesspal section, click on recipes, go find the recipe that I've uploaded, and then below, ingredients list for everything that you need. That's going to be extremely convenient for you to stick to the plan.